Okay, so today is June 17th, it's 7:29, and I'm doing contest 350. Okay. Okay, so let's see. It's loading. Okay. Two fuel tanks. And tanks. So 5 liter, 10K. And 5 liters of catalyst in the main tank. Okay, so we have 5 and 10. So I do main tank is 5. We do 10. So it's 11. What's my left? Oh, 10 per liter. So it has 5, 50, okay, so we have 10 times 5 plus 1. Okay, so that makes sense. And now, in tank is 1, it's 10 kilometers. So it should be 10. And I mean, I guess I can do it in Python. I mean, I'll do it in Kotlin first. More used to stuff. I'll do it in Python later. Okay, so 5. Main tank. Let's call it additional tank. While main not 0. So no, that's five. And then res 5 results equals 0. Res plus here I do if sec main plus okay, so let's see. $60 and 10 looks good. Okay, second, find value of the partition. To either array nums 1 or array nums 2. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 1, 3, 2, 4. The max, the min. So it's a max and min, so that's 2 and that's 2. So either the array okay, both arrays are non-empty. Okay, so there needs at least one element. Okay, so 100, 100, 1 and 10. So 0, 9, 99, 0. And then what is value? Here max denotes the maximum element of a nums1 value of such a partition. So it's 0 and 9. Oh, so okay, so the maximum. Okay, so I misunderstood. Okay, so the maximum 100, 1, 10. So maximum. Maximum. So we have 100 minus 10 equals 90. What about 101? That's 99. What else? 90, 99. That's the two possible solutions. And it's minimized. What does that mean, minify? Oh yeah, so we want a minimum one. So it's 90. 9. Oh, nums2 can be 101. So I can flip it around. Okay, I didn't realize that. Okay, let's do it. Okay. Okay, so okay, so it can be max nums1. Okay, so max and 1 minus min and 2, and then we do max and 2 minus min and 1. Okay, so and we're okay, so there is 100,000 elements. Value can be up to 1 billion, so it could overflow. You know what I'm going? No, I might want to do it in Python. It's just, so I don't have to deal with overflow. I can always come back and do it in Kotlin later. So $100,000. So if I calculate it for it's like range query problem maybe. Range queries. Range queries. What else? What can I do? 100,000. So there are only two. Oh, so I do prefix min. Wait, prefix min. Prefix max. Suffix min, suffix max. So then what do I have? Hopefully it doesn't take too much memory. But let's say, okay, so let's say we have prefix min, and then, you know, suffix min, and prefix max, suffix max. It's going to be 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now. Oh, no. What was I thinking? So first, let's do all the prefix. Right? So prefix min, prefix max, and it's going to be I. So let's start at 1, and then we do min prefix min. Uh-oh. No, what do I want? I do. So it's not. Max -1 nums let's do suffix max here. Do suffix max, suffix let's do so from collections import deck. Now we have deck this one this one. I don't have a clear solution, so let me think about this. Oh, let's do this. Nums copy. Nums copy, and then it's gonna be nums copy. Okay, shell copy. Now we're going to do so j equals suffix min with me j plus 1. It's going to be min. Let's fix this. Prefix min I oh yeah, so it's going to be min. It's going to be this. Better. And then it's going to be prefix max I prefix max I minus 1 prefix max I. Okay, so this one is fixed. Now this one needs to be min j suffix max j. Okay. I mean, let's print prefix nums, print prefix min, and prefix max, print suffix min. Maybe I want to do this below, right? So it's going to print suffix max, and then print prefix max, suffix min. Okay, this is good. I mean, return 0, we'll see. And of course. So we have okay, so now I want to find this so when I do this, then it's going to be like this. So the one and the next one, right? So and then it's going to be okay, so it's going to be, so it has to be max minus min, right? Max minus min. Mistake here. Max minus minim. Max. Okay. So here it's going to be, what do I do here? Okay, and let's do alien. Right, so it's alien. Okay, so now it's going to be 1. at the end. And it's going to be suffix max minus prefix min. So it's going to be k minus 1 and k. And then it's going to be let's call it minimum equals let's give value 10, 9. Then 9 plus 1. Okay, so that's my minimum. And it's going to be min and it's going to be minimum no, suffix max. No. I mean, I don't know. So for GKL 1 and I mean, let's do. I mean, we can do it at the same time, right? So it's going to be. So it's going to be prefix max k minus 1 minus suffix min k min. Okay, so minimum I don't know. Minimum forgive me, I'm still learning Python. Did you mean minimum? No, I meant minimum. Minimum. Minimum is not defined. Minimum. I don't get it. Global, I don't know what this is. I still don't know Python, so where did I? It's really weird. I don't know how this works. So let's use a different name. Let's call it mini. Let's call it mini, 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 mini. Okay, so oh, this is strange. I don't know. Let's call it over. Oh, so we need absolute value as well. Apps. Apps. Okay. So 0. Okay, so the first one is suffix max, prefix min. Okay, so first one is prefix min. So it's going to be x minus 1. And it's going to be suffix max, okay? Now, then it's suffix max, a prefix max. Okay, yeah, okay, so this is better. And 9, okay. Let's take this off and cross our fingers. And let's oh, let's okay, so we have 17, and we're expecting 10. Let's see. Okay, so we have 59. So it's prefix, right? Prefix. Oh no, I need. This is confusing. So prefix me. It's very confusing. So, okay. Okay, so 59, 76. Okay, that's too much. 76, 76. It should be 0. I don't get it. So maybe I got confused. So prefix max and suffix max. I don't get it. I don't get it. So. Okay, so prefix and then suffix. Okay, the first one. That's 17. That's 74. That's too much. That's too much. Go to this one. 59. I'm not. There's something I'm not getting. So. $17. And they want 10. Expected 10. I don't get it. Oh, 49 and 59. Oh. Yes. So 49. Okay, so 49 and 59. So it's 2, 26, 49. Okay. So we're doing max or suffix. So suffix max. And it's going to be prefix min. Prefix min, it's 59. $76. Okay, so we have prefix min. Okay, so prefix min. So it should be the first one, right? So the minimum here. Oh, I'm using the. Obviously, it's not working. Prefix min is not working. Prefix min. Prefix min. So it should be 59, 7, 59, right? So 59, 59, 2. So it should be 59, 59, 2. Oh, it's this one. And then, okay, so that's good. So suffix max is not working. Suffix max is not working. This one. Suffix max. Of course. So it's, so the or maybe I don't know how to do a countdown in reverse loop in Python. Let's see. So -1, 0. So it's 1 to 10. Oh, so wait. So it's going to be len -1 -1. Okay, so now now this one looks good. So okay, so 9, 9, 10. Okay, so I don't know why. Yeah, I messed up here. Anyway, let's take this one. one more. Okay, so let's put my debug code back. And so I want 8 and not 14. Okay. So here is, let's do 8 and not 14. So let's see. Over 59 and 51. So 59 and 51 should be 8. So 59 and 50. So this is a suffix. Oh, okay. So prefix min and suffix max. Why is it missing? I'm losing track. Okay, so we have okay, so it's prefix min. Okay, so prefix min is correct. And now suffix max. Oh, I need to do it the other way. Oh, this is crazy. So suffix min and prefix min. Maybe not this one. This one. I don't know. Actually, this shouldn't make a difference. I don't know what I'm thinking. I am not thinking now. So yeah, no. This is really bad. I should not have done this. Okay, so suffix max. So it needs to be prefix. Okay, so prefix min 0, suffix min 1. Okay, no. So prefix min so 59. No, it's suffix max. Okay, no. Suffix max 0, 1. Let's invert it, I guess. Suffix. So it's going to be suffix -1. This is crazy. Oh, now I broke everything else. But I got 8. I'll come back. Okay, special permutations. You are given 0 index, so I have 27 minutes. -1. Okay, so let's do mod. Let's do this. Okay, so return mod. So we have result 0, and it's going to be res. Okay, so what else? So nums I if okay, so if okay, so if one is divisible by the other one, okay, if two consecutive, okay, so if two items are consecutive, if two items are consecutive and one is divisible by the other one, maybe I calculate the GCD, greatest common denominator, maybe, I don't know. So we have GCD, if we find the greatest common denominator between two, so what if prime? If the number is prime, no. Well, I need to put the rest one. Okay, now it's counting. It's called special if one is a multiple of the other for all indexes. Okay, I think I can figure this out. So they all need to be, right? They all need to be, so let's take this one. Okay, so 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. So 3 is not divisible. So here it's 0. No, it's 2. 3, 1, 4. So 3, 1, 4. Oh, shit. Oh, this is difficult. Okay, so I mean, this is very interesting, but I'm not going to do it in the last 20 minutes. So let's forget this one. Let's quickly take it. This is hard. I'm assuming that the rating here is correct. So let's come back to this one. So I should have taken 51. Oh, you know, and I did correct it. I did correct it here. So min. It's okay. Why is it 0? So maybe maybe my mistake is upstream. Right, so let's do prefix min, suffix max. What about prefix max? Okay, so let's double check the prefix max, suffix min. Is it correct? Prefix max. So 59, 59, 98, 98. Okay. Suffix min. 73, 73, 1, 1. Oh! I got it. I mean, it should be. I think I got it. I'm still not used to this Python thing, so I need to go -1 here. And then I don't need this one. I don't think. So then so 1, oh no, 1, 9, 10, 14. That's incorrect. But let's see if we for it. So suffix min, right? So prefix max, suffix min. Okay, that's correct. Okay. Now the first one is prefix min. Okay, suffix max. Okay, so now the last 10 is 10. Is there any difference between 10, 73? That's it. I mean, I don't know. No, I'm not going to get it right. $14. Let's do, I don't know. Okay, so there. So I wanted the prefix min of the minimum of 59 and 76. So 59, and the suffix max of 2, 26, and 49. Right. So the second item of a prefix and the third item prefix min. So it's the first one here. Okay, so here the 5976. Wait, is that a new one? Oh, that's a new one. Oh, 5976. No, I got confused. You know, so 5976. Okay, so that was correct over. So, okay, so now let's find. It's supposed to be 8. So it's going to be 8. So it's going to be min. So let's say max. So min, okay. So 59, 51. So I'm taking the min. No. So why does it have to be 8? I'm confused. So it shouldn't be 14, it should be 8. Why? So the difference between this one and this. But it can't be min, it can't be max. Okay, so I'm sure I must have misread the problem because there is something I'm not getting here. Let's, this keeps on happening to me. So let's see. Okay, so next time. Okay, so each element of the array belongs to either the array nums1 or the nums2. Oh, each element so they don't have to be together. This is confusing. Oh shit. I think, wait. Okay, so I have 11 minutes. Okay, so now. So let's say I sort everything. Okay, so I sort nums1, I sort nums2. No, I mean, I sort nums. And I look for minimum, the gap between two items. Don't tell me it's that easy. Oh my God, this is, maybe I misunderstood the problem. I don't know. Let's see. I mean, let's do this. and let's well, I mean, I'll copy it on my clipboard just in case. Yes. Okay, now nums sort, and then for in range, tell me this is not it, but L and nums. Now we do min m is good. So 10 9 plus 7. Now it's going to be m. So then it's going to be m. So let's say gap apps nums I minus nums I minus 1. Okay. And now it's going to be m min, it's going to be gap m. Okay. Return m. Oh, please tell me this is 1 9 10 1 9 10 8. That's correct. Oh, this was so simple. I misread the problem. Okay, so now we have 8 minutes. So now they all need to connect. So 2, 3, 6. So okay, so here we're going to have to do the greatest common denominator. So GCD, and then we take the smallest GCD can be used as the connection. Oh no, it's a set problem. So yeah, so as an intersection between sets. Between sets. What else? So we try to get rid of the biggest items first, maybe. So we have a priority queue. I'm going to do it in Kotlin. I don't have time anyway. But okay, so here. So we have let's say return and res mod, it's the same, and it's going to be, let's do L something. 7L. Okay. Now we do bar price equals 0. And we do, so we'll do a priority queue, I think, because we need to get rid of the largest elements first. Oh, so wait a minute. So if there is a prime number, except 1, if there is a prime number except 1, except, I mean, no. So we start with the largest numbers. Okay, so we need some kind of priority queue or so. I'm not sure. So we need a mini heap. So first we get rid of the most difficult numbers are going to be the prime numbers, right? So the most difficult numbers are going to be the prime numbers and the largest numbers. And then it can be like a graph, kind of like, I create a hash map to know all the, oh, this is, how many numbers do we have here? Num's length. So we have between 2 and 14. Maybe it's a DP problem. So okay, so I keep track of so one can be so all indexes. So there is a prime number which is it's 13. So there are only 14 numbers. I don't even know why we're doing the mod thing, right? So if there are only 14 numbers at maximum, so 14 numbers times, so 13 times 14 divided by 2, so that's 7. So maybe on, so 7. So 7 times 13 possibilities. Why do I need to mod it? It seems like, if it's correct, so it's 7 times 14. Okay. 7 times 13, sorry. So it's 91. Okay, I should have calculated that myself. So we have 91 possibilities, permutations. No, that doesn't work. It's too few. It looks like it's too few. Maybe I'm missing something. So since there are only 14, oh, I need to test 91 permutations. Okay, so I test 91 permutations, and I check if each one is correct. So it seems like a backtracking. So it's a backtracking problem. So I test each permutation, backtracking problem. And as soon as a permutation is incorrect, I stop. Right? So it will be, I don't know, so it's going to be fun. Oh, it's already 9:02. Okay, so let's keep on going for a couple more minutes. So let's backtracking problem, backtrack, and it's going nums, and array. So we're going to have, so we're going to go through each one. And so, okay, so 9 is possible permutations. Okay, so 91 permutations. And it's going to return, an int. I mean, I guess a long in case. I don't think I need it, but let's see. And so I'll keep track of the index. And then so let's call it cur nums. So I will return minus returns -1L if no good. Okay, so it's going to be recursive. So my base case is going to be it's the current item. So it's going to be like a queue or something. So I have my 91 permutations, and then oh, it sounds like I'm making a mistake. So it should be 14. Oh, maybe it's 10. Oh, maybe I made a mistake. So it's 10. to the power of 14. That's more likely. So, or like 9. So, wait, I don't know. So let's see. I mean, I don't need to count it. So backtracking problem. So I keep track of the current. Or I test. Or I keep track of a hash map. So I keep track of my, I cache all my hash map. Hash map. And it's going to be int. So I keep track of my results. And I just do a loop for I in and nums. Okay, and this is for j in I nums last index. Okay, and now it's going to be hm. Oh, and then I do a GCD. If GCD, and it's going to be nums I nums j. If GCD nums j, then I put, they're connected, so they work together. So now I can say hm, let's say p, when p equals I, and then val q equals j. Okay, now and okay, so p q, and it's going to p equals q. Oh, it needs to be a list. Q equals. Let's do GCD p int q int if q equals 0, I return p. Yeah, that's a base case, right? Otherwise, I return GCD, and it's going to be q p mod q. Okay, so that's my greatest common denominator. And now, this needs to be, I need to make a list of all the possible, so it needs to be a set. Set something like that. Right. So, and it's going to be add q, and so it's going to be hm get of default. It's going to be p. If it doesn't have anything, I create a hash set int, and now I can do add q like this. Okay, now I do the same here, so I know I can kind of like q HMQ. I have no idea. I don't know. Okay, so I'm adding to the set. I mean, okay, it's already over, so I should upload. Let's see. I mean, I'm 11 minutes over, so that, you know. So do this. Okay, so not very good at all. Really not good. And I had 2 bugs here, so anyway.